A week after Times Now reported that Pakistan was building new bunkers along the line of control, our correspondent in Jammu has found that the Pakistani army is now building an embankment along the international border. This latest construction drive by Pakistan really has the border security force worried, as these embankments are being dug merely 10 meters from the fence that separates India and Pakistan. Indian forces also fear that this could be Pakistan's latest ploy in aiding and abetting infiltration into India. Apart from the embankment, Pakistani forces are also building hundreds of bunkers, and the BSF feel that these bunkers could be used to attack Indian patrols from safe hideouts.
We are aware that Pakistan is not only making a band but is erecting a number of other defense structures on their side, including bunkers, concrete bunkers, observation towers, etc. And rest assured that we are taking all countermeasures on our side to neutralize any mischief that can be planned from those structures. We have, whenever such structures are coming up or wherever they are coming up, we have lodged strong protests against these activities. In some isolated cases, the Pak Rangers have listened to our protest and have stopped the activity. In some others, they have not stopped their activity.
They have done it before and they are doing it again. This time under the guise of maintenance. Pakistan has not only started raising the band, but in between they have started constructing permanent defense bunkers. And what is a matter of concern is that most of these defense structures are coming just 10 to 15 meters away from the fence.
पिछले 6 माहों से ये स्ट्रक्चर्स बनाने की गतिविधि में तेजी आई है. जब से ये बॉम्बे का 26/11 हुआ था, उसके बाद से ही ये गतिविधियां ज़्यादा देखी गई.
And of course, the BSF is worried that the bunkers are getting too close for comfort. The construction of the band and bunkers are a big cause for concern. Now, Pakistan's open violation along the international border is a serious cause for concern. 324 new RCC bunkers have been dug along the border. 55 Pakistani army posts have sprouted since 26/11. 125 new observation towers have also come up, and 152 kilometers long band along the international border has been built. The bunkers that have been built are about 50 to 70 meters. They are used mainly to spy on India. The bunkers are used to store ammunition and also for Pakistani deployments to launch offensives along the border.